Alright everybody, this is what we're doing next, is the Sabre Jet Protocol helicopter. It uses infrared on the bottom of it. I have put this thing through the ringer. It is missing the bottom. You can see it's broken on the bottom. I've had this thing for like 2 years. This is the longest I've ever had a helicopter. So I decided I'm going to make a video on it. We're going to watch this thing fly. It's not too bad. Got some cover from the trees. Here we go. Alright. It's supposed to be an indoor helicopter, but you know, we're going to see. Oh, it did horrible, didn't it? Alright. Well, let's see the... No, alright. Go, now we're in the shade. Maybe sunlight messes with the infrared, and I can see it. Here we go. Alright. So it's not a bad little helicopter. I got it from a store about 2 years ago, and it was $20–$30. I'm sure they still sell them. The range on these is increased so much at nighttime because the sun affects the infrared signal. Well, it's not a bad little quad. But this thing here, what I'm saying, it's not great. Don't get me wrong. It's infrared, but this thing here, I have put this thing through the ringer. I mean, you know, it falls. You know, I really have put this thing through hell and back. So if you want to get your child a decent copter, infrared for 20 bucks, this is one that should survive for a while. I have never replaced the back propeller or either of those. As you can tell, you know, the bottom's broken. So, anyway, there you go. Sabre Jet Protocol.